Hello and welcome back, Shaper Origin friends. A couple weeks back, I posted a video about Shaper's clearing router bit, and one of my viewers, Devin, paid a lot of attention to the picture showing the different pocket cuts. And he saw that in one of the cuts, there were like small lines, like steps, marks that the bottom cleaning router bit left when doing the pocket cut. And he was so kind to leave me an instruction on how to prevent that. The instruction sounded super easy and intriguing because I have always had the problem that when I do larger pocket cuts, I have those lines at the bottom. And it's annoying because you need to sand them away and that takes time. It's kind of fiddly, especially if the pocket cut is deep. So when I read that, I thought, is it possible that there is a trick to make a nice pocket cut and I don't know about it? And I'm just like ignorantly always doing it the same way and it's just always ugly. And all of you are just cracking up, doing it the right way and looking at my pictures and going like, yeah, Javier has no idea. So I do have no idea. So when I get these kind of ideas, I'm always excited. And it works. Devin's trick works. So this is a video showing you how to do that in case you're similarly ignorant like me and you have been doing the pocket cuts the wrong way. Let me show you how I did the pocket cuts up until now. Here you see what I've been doing up until now. I just pick a random corner, I plunge the bottom cleaning router bit, and I start to remove the material in lines, usually from top to bottom. I do that, and once this is done, I mark an inline cut and I remove the inline and that's it. That's how I made pocket cuts up until now. So now, as you can see here, this leaves marks, right? This leaves some marks at the bottom, which you have to sand away. Now let me show you Devin's trick that gets rid of those. Devin's instructions say that you should plunge your router bit in the middle of your pocket cut and use about like maximum half of the blade that your bit has. Then start removing the material doing clockwise movements. So always clockwise, you go through the entire pocket cut and remove all the material. After you've done that, elevate your bit and then erase what you have cut up until now. This is an extra step, a trick that I have found to be useful because then you start from scratch. Now you plunge again with the same router bit and the same settings, and what you start doing is to move counterclockwise. So counterclockwise, you go through your entire pocket cut, cleaning it up, again the same as before. And then if you want at the end, obviously you do an inline cut to make it all clean and tidy. All right, that's Devin's trick. And now let's watch the result. Here is a picture of a pocket cut I have done with my method and a pocket cut with Devin's method. And you can see clearly that my method has a problem that you have those cutting lines, those marks that are annoying, while the one with Devin's method has almost nothing. There is barely one visible at one place. Other than that, it looks really clean. So, mind-blowing. A simple technique can remove a lot of pain. So I am very excited about that. Thank you, Devin, for this tip. I am going to use this all the time now, and I hope you will use it too if you didn't know that, and that it makes your life easier. Thanks, Devin, for leaving this comment on my video. If other viewers have other ideas, other tricks they have, other questions around the Shaper Origin, leave them in the videos. I will take care of that. I'll make another video and together we can learn and have a lot of fun. That being said, thanks for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you around.